Hi, I'm Bernard Nomberg with Nomberg Law Firm in Birmingham, Alabama. One of the situations that arises and causes a lot of stress for our clients is when they have seen the authorized treating physician and received paperwork from that meeting, which is typically a work status form. And on that form, it will have what the doctor's opinions typically of that appointment, when the next appointment or other medical care is needed into the future, and it will also have a work status form filled out on there. And the work status could be return to work, still off work, modified duty, work hardening, who knows. A lot of times the doctor's office or the case nurse hired by the workers' compensation carrier will say, don't worry, we'll take care of getting that paperwork to your employer. And most of the time that will happen. But I would never rely upon that. I would never assume that someone else is going to look after your best interest in this regard. It is imperative that you stay in contact with your employer about your work status. This way you don't get in trouble with your employment situation. Take a photo of that work status form, that most recent doctor's visit, and keep it on your phone. Provide a copy of it to your attorney and provide a copy of it to your employer. You should do that. Don't rely on third parties to do that. If you have questions or concerns about how all this works or why even further, we'll be glad to talk to you at 205-930-6900 is our office number. Nomberglaw.com is the website. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and tell us why. And if you didn't care for it, let us hear about that as well. We always like to hear. Subscribing to this channel will make sure that you get future videos which come out weekly. You can also find us on Twitter and Facebook.